Hi, I'm John Force, 16-time funny car champion. I'm really excited to be here today on this video with you. I want to put you into our shops, not only here in California, but mainly in Indy. And why? Because one of our sponsors there, Hurco, is in Indiana, and they give tours at our shops. But right now, because of the pandemic, we're not able to do that. Yeah, if you're a customer that needs to see a certain machine, we'll find a way to get you there with the Hurco reps so we can show you the machines that we use at John Force Racing right there in Brownsburg. But what we're trying to accomplish today, because we can't give tours, is we're trying to bring you in and kind of do a virtual reality tour. So I'm kind of opening here to give you a little background on what we do. But you'll be introduced to Brittany that'll do a walkthrough through the museum to show you what we're all about, our race cars, what we're doing today, the truck and trailers, and right on down to the machine shops, chassis shops, and paint shops. But most important is we want you to take a look at our machinery from Hurco. It's very exciting stuff, and it's what has made us win all these championships. I've got 16 myself, but we've got over 20 in the group. So what I want to say to you is you'll get an opportunity to look at this. Austin Prock, that drives the Montana brand, will come in and give you part of that tour there in Indy. We're trying to give you kind of virtual reality since we can't have you there right there standing in the building during this pandemic. Brittany will give you a tour, and to close, Robert Height will come in, okay, and he will give you a background on the stuff that we make and what we do at the end of this video. But I want to tell you, John Force Racing, my daughters raced, Ashley, Brittany, and Courtney. They're still involved. Brittany's still driving the top fuel car for Monster Energy and Flavor Pack. And naturally, I'm with Peak, Old World Industries. Robert drives the car behind me, Auto Club, the Chevrolet, and Prague drives for Montana brand. So we're really excited about where we're going in the future. And if you want to see something that's really close to my heart, look at the junior dragsters. My granddaughter Autumn Hyde has already won. Jacob's already won. And 2 weeks ago at Las Vegas, under the lights at night, Noah, our youngest grandchild, I think he's only 6 or 7, won the 4 wide. Under the lights, it was unbelievable. So enjoy this video, learn about us, take the time to watch it and enjoy it. But along the way, we want you to learn about Hurco. They're the ones that keep us in the driver's seat and keep us winning championships. And one day we will get you back in our shop and we'll give you a tour. Not only out in Indiana, but possibly out here in California. So that's all I got. Support us by buying our fine brands with Hurco and support NHRA drag racing. God bless you. Be safe.
I'm Brittany Force, driver of the Monster Energy Flavor Pack Top Fuel Dragster, and we're here in Brownsburg, Indiana, and Austin Prock and I are going to go inside and give you a tour of our facility. We're here in the lobby, and some of the things you can see on display are Traxxas trophies, event trophies, but my personal ultimate favorite is my team's 2017 NHRA Top Fuel World Championship Trophy. This shop houses all our racing teams, and it was designed to be laid out very similar to how we are out at the racetrack. This is teammate Austin Prock's pit area, driver of the Montana brand Top Fuel Dragster and your 2019 Rookie of the Year. This is my Monster Energy Flavor Pack pit right here. We're in Robert Height's pit, driver of the Auto Club Chevrolet Camaro SS Funny Car and a 3-time world champion. And finally, we're in John Force's pit, driver of the Peak Blue Death Chevrolet Camaro SS Funny Car and your 16-time world champion. is our Brownsburg Museum, which houses several cars from John Horse Racing's history. This room is dedicated to teammate Eric Medlin, who we lost in a 2007 testing accident. This room allows us to honor his memory forever. As Eric always said, you can never be sad eating ice cream.
Hi, I'm Austin Brock. Brittany Ford's just took you through the race shop, and I'm going to start taking you through Force American Made. We make a lot of our parts in here because of Eric Medlin and the Eric Medlin project. We build anything from short blocks, cylinder heads, superchargers, and much more. Now we've made it to the Force American Made chassis shop, where we build all of our own dragster and funny car chassis and mount our Chevy Camaro funny car bodies. Now we've made it to the paint shop, where we paint all of our race cars with nothing but the best, PPG. We've now made it to the graphics department, where we print thousands of decals all year long to keep our sponsors happy.
Hi, I'm Robert Height, three-time funny car champion, and I hope you enjoyed this tour. We're very proud of this facility. You know, our teams stretch way beyond just the driver and the crew chiefs and the crew members. We also have a big, huge team there in Indy, you know, that works on all the machines, all those Hurco machines, and builds the parts that made us a 21-time world champion. We learned years ago that if you want to be on top and control the technology, that you need to build the parts yourself. And once we started doing that, we really started dominating. And Hurco is a big part of that. They're a main reason that we're still winning championships, setting all the records, and we control everything. We keep all that technology to ourselves instead of it going somewhere else. Another thing that's really, really important to us is having Hurco right there in Indy with us. Their service is unlike any other. They're perfect. They're always there to help us however they can. It's a perfect partnership. Thank you very much.